This application is a versatile tool designed to convert images into PDF format on Android devices. It offers users a straightforward and efficient way to transform various image files, such as photos and scans, into high-quality PDF documents. The app typically features a user-friendly interface that allows users to easily upload images from their device's gallery or take new photos directly within the application. Users can often adjust settings such as image quality, page size, and orientation before finalizing the conversion, ensuring that the resulting PDF meets their specific needs. In addition to basic conversion capabilities, the application may include features like merging multiple images into a single PDF, adding watermarks, and organizing pages for better document flow. Some applications also provide options for editing images, such as cropping or rotating, enhancing the overall functionality. Overall, this application serves as a valuable resource for anyone needing to create PDF documents from images, making it easier to share, store, and manage visual content in a widely accepted format.